This is a DollarStore download app example. We're using signature.dollarstore.com. The first step what we need to do is if you go down to the bottom, you will see a menu icon with a square box. We are going to click that first. Once you click this menu item, you're going to find where it says add to home screen. Once we add it to home screen, you don't need to change anything from there other than clicking add or done, and this will add it to your home screen. Next step, we will go to our home screen and we will click the application. Once we click on the application, we're going to test it, check it, and you are done. Great job. We appreciate you being a DollarStore member.